縄にやってきた日本1日目のドイツ人男性。
Okinawa, Paradise Island. It's kind of windy though.
風が少し気になるものの南北ライフを満喫します。
Oh, what? There's a typhoon heading this way? Are you kidding me? I've gotta get supplies. I don't have any toilet paper.
1週間後初めての台風に戸惑い、1ヶ月後には
And then it's lasting 6 months? Why would people live in such a dangerous place? This is crazy.
終わらない台風にうんざりし、1年後には
Super Typhoon Level 5 is heading to Okinawa right now.
Dear God, please let me live another day. I promise I won't watch any more hentai.
命の危険を感じ思わず神頼みします。
Shouldn't we close the windows? There's an actual typhoon going on outside.
しかし10年後には
Nah, it's fine. Today is just a category 3 one. Winds won't be faster than 150 kilometers per hour, so whatever.
牛が飛ぼうが日常になってしまったようです。10年も住むと台風への感覚まで変わってしまうのかもしれませんね。